The RapidBIZ platform includes support for a built-in what you see is what you get browser-based form builder. The forms you create with it should not be confused with mere HTML embedded in HTML form tags. They are meant to act as electronic versions of actual forms. Let's build a simple form by dragging and dropping form elements onto the form builder work area, where you construct the pages of your form. Note that you may place or move existing elements anywhere you like on the pages of the form, and that they may appear on the final form exactly where you place them. Most elements possess a label that you may double-click to begin editing. They are also resizable by simple mouse edge selection and dragging. Additionally, further properties may be configured by right-clicking an element and selecting properties from the resulting pop-up menu. For specialized areas of the form requiring, say, for example, bullet lists or tables, you may drag and drop an instance of a what you see is what you get HTML editor onto the work area and use it to construct the contents of the area where you place it. Electronic signature blocks may also be added to the form, allowing users to electronically sign an instance of the form with a password. A configurable toolbar allowing for things like form content saving or PDF generation is also insertable. Now let's save the form. The text fields, drop-downs, electronic signature blocks, etc. that appear on your form are automatically linked to columns in a RapidBIZ database table, which in turn is automatically created and managed for your form upon saving the form itself to the RapidBIZ database. Note that the forms you create may be very complex. Here, for example, is a created version of FDA Form 1571. Any web-based application you construct with RapidBIZ may make a JavaScript call to load a specified form from the RapidBIZ database and display manage an instance of it in your browser. This, for example, is what you would see on load of the form we just created by an example controlling RapidBIZ application that in the interest of time I haven't shown at this point, but will show portions of as we progress. Now let's fill in the form and save it. When a Save button is clicked on the form, the state of all the linked elements displayed on that form are saved to a record in its associated form database table. For example, text typed into text fields. Whenever that instance of the form is reloaded by your RapidBIZ application, the elements on the form reflect its saved database state. On successful save of the form instance data, control passes back to the RB application that made the JavaScript call to load the form in the first place. In this case, the controlling RB application displays information about that instance, including a number that uniquely identifies the instance of the form that was saved. Let's now click a button that takes the controlling RapidBIZ application to a screen where we can fill in information to reload the form instance we just saved. You can see here that the state of that instance reflects the state it previously had when it was saved. So for example, if you typed your name into a text field appearing on the form and saved it, when that form instance is reloaded to your browser screen, that text field will display your name in it. This behavior is true of the state of all elements on your screen. text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, etc. To conclude, it's also important to note, if desired, even the form builder itself may be embedded within your RapidBIZ application via a simple JavaScript call, allowing users of your application to build forms that are in turn managed by your application. Here, for example, is a regulatory document manager RapidBIZ application that does just that. On this particular screen of the app, when the eForm Editor button is clicked, a JavaScript call is made to create an instance of the form builder, which in turn may be used to create regulatory forms that are subsequently managed by the app. And that, in a nutshell, is what the form builder is all about, providing you with the means to create electronic forms, instances of which may be embedded in your RapidBIZ applications.